Hello dear viewers, welcome to the class. In this class, we learn a very good topic of English grammar, object and complement. So without delay, let's go to the topic object and complement. Okay, look at the three sentences here written. First one is he gave me an umbrella. Second, Rahim bought a bat. Third, she plays football. In the first sentence, he is the subject and gave is the verb. But what about me and an umbrella? Here, he is the subject and he is the doer of the action gave. But me and an umbrella are the receivers of the action gave. Okay, so this is called object. So here me and an umbrella both are object. Okay, now in the second sentence, Rahim bought a bat. Here Rahim is the subject, bought is the verb, but what about a bat? A bat is the object here because it is the receiver of the action but. Okay. So in the third sentence, she plays football. Here she is the subject, plays is the verb, but what about football? Here football is the receiver of the action. It receives the action. So it is object here. Again, look at the objects me, an umbrella, a bat and football. They are noun or pronoun. An umbrella, noun, me, pronoun, a bat, noun, but here it works as object. Okay. In another way, we can know easily which is object. If we ask question what or whom to the main verb, will get object. Again, look at the first sentence. He gave me an umbrella. If we ask question what to the main verb gave, answer is an umbrella. So an umbrella object. If we ask question whom to the main verb gave, answer is me. So me is the object. Like this, in the second sentence, if we ask question what to the verb bought, answer is a bat. So a bat is the object here. Like this, in the third sentence, if we ask question what she plays or what does she play to the main verb, answer is football. So here football is the object. Okay, so object is a noun or its equivalent which receives the action, which is affected by the action. And if we ask question what or whom to the main verb, will get object. Okay, now understood what is object? Okay, now what are the different types of object? Okay, so object is a noun or its equivalents that receives the action or affected by the action, that is object, and it comes after a transitive verb or a preposition. Okay, now what are the different types of object? There are two types of object: direct object, another is indirect object. Again, look at this example. He gave me an umbrella. Here me is the object and an umbrella another object. If we ask question what to the main verb, will get an umbrella. So here an umbrella is the direct object. If we ask question whom to the verb gave, answer is me. So me is the indirect object. In the second sentence, Ram played football. Here football is the object. If you ask question what to the main verb played, answer is football. So football is the direct object. Okay, so there are two types of object, direct object and another is indirect object. If we ask question what to the main verb, we will get direct object. If we ask question whom to the main verb, we will get indirect object. Now what is understood what is direct object and what is indirect object? Okay, let's go to the next topic, complement. Look at the sentence here written, she is a beautiful girl. Here she is the subject, each is the verb, but what about a beautiful girl? If we drop out a beautiful girl, here she is not a complete sentence, won't be a complete sentence. Okay, it is incomplete. So to complete the sentence, we have to write a beautiful girl. Okay, so this is complement. It means it completes the sentence. In the second sentence, they selected him captain. Here, they is the subject, selected is the verb, him is the indirect object or object, but what about captain? If we drop out captain, it is also incomplete. In the first sentence, a beautiful girl, it gives more information about she, the subject. But in the second sentence, captain, it gives more information or it completes the object him. And if we drop out this item from the sentence will be incomplete. Okay, so the complement is an essential part of the sentence without which there is no meaning of the sentence, and it generally comes after a linking verb. Okay, or a transitive verb plus object. Okay, so what is complement? Complement is an essential part of the sentence without which there is no meaning of the sentence, and it completes the sentence. Okay, without it the sentence will be incomplete. Now what are the different types of complement? There are two types of a complement, subject complement, another is object complement. Now what is subject complement? The complement that tells about the subject of the sentence is called subject complement. Okay, which tells about the subject, that is called subject complement. Look at the example, he is a farmer. A farmer, it tells about the subject he. In the second sentence, they are cricket players. Here cricket players, it gives or it tells more about the subject they. So these are subject complement. So the complement that tells about the subject of the sentence is called subject complement. Another is object complement. Now what is object complement? The complement that tells about the object of the sentence is called object complement. Look at the sentence. We elected him our leader. Here, our leader, it tells about the object, him. In the second sentence, she makes me happy. Here, the word happy, it tells about or it describes me, the object. So, they are object complement. So, there are two types of there are two types of complement, subject complement, another is object complement. Okay. Now, what is the difference between object and complement? Object is a noun or its equivalent that receives the action done by the subject. For example, she teaches me. Here, me is the object. We gave her a present. Here, her and a present object. But on the other hand, complement. Complement is a noun, a phrase, or a clause that gives or adds additional information about subject or object. Here, she is a doctor. Here, a doctor is the complement. Okay. Here, he made me happy. Here, happy is the complement. Okay. So, now understood what is object and what is complement. So, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.